Dylan, are you ready for the cattle drive?
Dude, no.
It's coming, it's coming. Dude, they're almost there. About another 2 minutes and they'll be 20 meter points. I'm so excited.
I want the black guys to crack their whip.
Dude, the black guys are so cool. I wish I was one of them. Can't see it. Woohoo! Dude, there's so many black guys.
Maybe we'll get lucky and there'll be a lot more.
This is so cool. Look at that fat one. That one has a heart on it. Look at it. Look at the white one has a heart. Look at that black guy. It's so cool.
And oh, would you look at that? It's all over.
We've been waiting like 20 minutes for that. That was the best 20 minutes of my life. Okay. How was that, Dylan?
Absolutely amazing.
It was exactly how I imagined it. Let's get Jackie's opinion.
What?
Jackie, how was it?
Okay. Wow. It's very interesting.
What are you, liar? You liar.